Huawei AirEngine series APs support 3 working modes: FAT, FIT, and Cloud. An AP can flexibly switch between the 3 modes without needing to change the software package. This means they can adapt to different networking solutions based on the application scenarios of different AP modes. Huawei has designed a set of fast and simple AP configuration methods. With FAT APs, Huawei provides enterprise-level quality and easy configurations that are ideal for consumers. You can easily configure services for a FAT AP with a single laptop. Once powered on, a FAT AP delivers the default management SSID. You can connect a laptop to the SSID and open a web browser to access the AP's web system. After configuring basic information, access the configuration wizard as prompted. You can complete Internet access and Wi-Fi signal configurations on a single web page to enable the AP to deliver an SSID. After stations detect the SSID and connect to the network, users can access the Internet on the stations. For FIT APs, their services are centrally configured on a WAC and are automatically delivered. In addition to the traditional CLI-based configuration mode, Huawei WACs also provide a web system that allows simplified GUI-based configuration of APs. You can access the web system of a WAC through a web browser, and then easily configure and manage FIT APs on GUIs without running hundreds of commands. To further simplify AP configurations, the web system provides a configuration wizard. This allows you to quickly configure a large number of APs without needing to search for parameters or understanding the sequence of setting parameters. Before configuring APs through the web system, configure network connectivity between the WAC and APs so that configurations on the WAC can be delivered to APs in real time. The configuration wizard divides the AP configuration process into 3 steps. First, configure the WAC's source interface and network parameters, such as DHCP parameters, to enable the WAC to communicate with APs. Second, add the SNs and MAC addresses of APs to the WAC so that the APs can go online. Finally, configure services such as the SSID and access authentication mode for the APs so that the APs can deliver the SSID. After stations detect the SSID and connect to the network, users can access the Internet on the stations. Cloud APs are configured similarly as FIT APs. The only difference is that the services of Cloud APs are centrally configured on iMaster NCE Campus, which then automatically delivers service configurations to APs. Configuring Cloud APs is made even easier. You only need to access the Internet and do not need to configure the AP's network environment. In addition, AP deployment is simplified based on Cloud Campus app on a mobile phone. With this app, you only need to scan the AP's barcode to deploy it in plug-and-play mode. This means anyone can deploy an AP, no professional skills required. After purchasing cloud services from Huawei or a Huawei supplier, you will obtain an AP and a Tenant account. Before installing and configuring the AP, use the Tenant account to log into the cloud service page and create an AP site with the network planning and deployment functions provided by the Cloud Campus app. You can scan the barcode of an AP on site. Your mobile phone is then automatically connected to the AP. You only need to perform operations as prompted. In this manner, the AP can automatically register with and go online on iMaster NCE Campus. On the Site subpage of the Cloud Service page, you can view the online AP. From here, configure services such as the SSID and authentication mode for the AP following the configuration wizard, so that the AP can deliver the SSID. After stations detect the SSID and connect to the network, users can access the Internet on the stations.